Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at a property over in Hilliard, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is a mobile home, but it is priced right for somebody to come in and purchase. Nice looking property, and I apologize if there's a little background noise there. There's somebody working across the street there. Nice, good shades. It is a dirt road. It is a county road, county maintained road. So that means that the county will come down and grade the road. You're only about maybe a mile, 3/4 of a mile from the main road up there, which is paved. So it's really not that bad. From what I'm seeing, it looks pretty decent so far. They've got a metal roof. Looks like they've redone the skirting, redone some landscaping out throughout the entire property. The well looks decent over here. Let's go look at this first before we go inside. Looks like you got a thicker pipe, so probably a deep well, but I'm just guessing at that. I would have a well inspector come out and take a look. I would definitely try and get a enclosure around this, a little shed, a little barn, something, just to try and keep this a little bit more protected so it's out of the elements. You don't want to have heat, rain, anything else getting to it, but it does look like it's been updated recently at least. So that's looking good. The air conditioner over on the side of the house is looking pretty good so far. As I said, it looks like they've done some landscaping, which is nice. Brand new steps going up here. So let's go see the inside of the property here. When you walk in, you notice that they've redone the flooring throughout the entire house. Hardwood flooring everywhere. There's a little formal dining room. This would be kind of a formal living room here. Good enough to put a couch, chair, something like that. Don't know if I'd put the TV in this room. I'll show you the reason why in just a moment. Kitchen's decent, not humongous. A little small, but that's okay. Looks like they've upgraded the cabinets. They've upgraded the sink, so you got a little bit larger, decent sink there. Stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel stove, microwave. We'll go out there in just a moment. Got the refrigerator. You got the area here for the washing machine. So a clothes washer here, washer dryer vent. A little bit of a storage place here where the water heater's at. And again, it looks like the water heater's also been updated. So we'll come back that direction in just a moment. This is your master bedroom. So it's a decent size, probably a 10 by 12, 10 by 14 maybe. Small walk-in closet. The light was not going on in there. I don't know if the lights burn out or not. It is a single sink, but it looks like it's been a newer install. You got a nice shower. So this does not have the tub also, it's just a shower. And of course, toilet and the flooring's been redone in there, as well as the carpet in each one of the bedrooms. So let's go take a look at the other side of the house. So you do have a formal dining room area. Now this is not a large area. You could probably put a 4-seater table or something else like that, or something simple. Even if you just wanted to put some bar stools up along the area here, have some place to eat. It does have, looks like a cracked window there, but it does have the original windows on here, so that'd be the problem. This is the reason why I'm saying I would not probably put the TV over there, because you do have a separate room over here, which is kind of nice. So you have a fireplace. You could always put the TV above the fireplace, or there's a larger wall here to put the TV, or possibly if you wanted to, switch back around, have it over onto this side. So you do have options that you could put the TV in, couch, chairs, that sort of stuff. So nice spare bathroom. Look at that first. Looks like it's been completely updated recently. I want to say exactly when. Flooring in the spare bedroom looks pretty good. And the last bedroom, again, decent size. Now this one here kind of fooled me because you have extra space that's on this one. So normally the room would end right around here, but you got this whole area back there that you could probably put chair, table, computer desk, whatever you want. So I was a little impressed with that part. Let's go take a look out in the backyard. You have a nice little etching here on the window. Kind of a nice separation there. And again, it looks like they've done some landscaping back here. There's a separated screen and patio here. The only way of getting to this is by actually coming out of the door to come into this thing. But it's a nice little escape. You'll be able to come back here and enjoy what the backyard entails. Looks like it has some lighting here. So you got the lighting up there. You could always put a ceiling fan or maybe a portable fan or something else in here to allow yourself to have some more wind going through. But a nice little outside area. Great place to have for entertaining people if you wanted to come out. You have a nice little lean-to style shed, I guess is the best way to say it. It's not really that big. Probably could have closed this in, but I don't know what the roof looks like because I'm starting to see some rust on the siding area where I can see it. Also, some areas where might need to get some wood rot repaired on the inside. I'd go inside, but I already walked through about 3 spider webs, and I'll pass this time. So here it looked like they had a above ground pool that was sunk in. So that's what this is. In order to fill this in, you'd probably have to either, get a lot of dirt to fill it in, or maybe get another pool or something else. Looks like back there they got a fire pit. And the property line does go back just a little bit. Your septic line is going to be back here also. So you have the septic back over towards this side. Now, based upon the fact that you're a little bit above sea level area here, you're not going to have a hill that you're going to have like some of the other properties have for a septic line. But you can have the septic line back towards this direction, from what I'm telling. So, and that's what the back of the property looks like. If you'd like to learn more about the property, just contact me, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.